All right, here's a quick update. Transmission is out. I didn't film it. I'm actually I'm sick, and I just didn't really feel like it. I just want to get out here and start picking at it, and before I knew it, it was out. Yeah, I even got the clutch out. There was so much oil in there, in the bell housing. Just poured everywhere. It was basically full inside there. Anyways, when I pulled the timing cover off, or not the timing cover, but the rear cover, I didn't see anything obvious. The only thing I can kind of see is it looks to me, it looks a little more squished right here than up here. I know you can't see it on camera, but it's the only thing I can tell is maybe it looks a little more tighter, squished on the bottom than the top. I don't see any like physical tearing or anything on there, but looking at everything, I don't know what it could be unless this was off center. So I think what I'm gonna do, that was a aftermarket cover. I think I'm gonna clean up this factory cover that I have that came off of it. I'm gonna clean this up. Put this on there. The bottoms look a little different, don't they? I don't know, but I think at this point I'm gonna feel better putting this factory piece back on there. So I've already got a new seal. What I did the first time is this one actually came with a seal already installed, so I didn't really think too much of it. And then my Instagram buddy Chevy Hot Rodder said to go get one of these alignment tools, and I don't know why I didn't think about it, because I got the alignment tool for the front cover, but why did I not buy it for the rear cover? I don't know. So what you do is you put the seal out, you put the cover on, and you put the centering tool in there, then you get a couple bolts started, and then you can actually put the whole cover on, pull this off, and then you can actually use this tool again to install the seal once everything's done. So this will help align it. Right there, you see that site, Sac City Corvette. They actually have a video on how to do it. So I'll clean this cover up. We'll use this, and we'll center it on there. And then another thing that's going to slow us down is the clutch. You guys probably already guessed it. Clutch got oil soaked. So I need to order a disc. Well, there's no recovering from that. It'll brake clean the crap out of everything else. So I'll call Silver Sport Transmission, and I'll just see if they can semi-adjust the disc. Hopefully that won't be an issue. But I think what's going to happen is I'm going to get the cover, get it cleaned up, get the cover back on. I'll get the flywheel back on, and I think I'll start it with without the transmission in there. Make sure it doesn't leak while I'm waiting for the clutch disc. And if it doesn't leak, then we know that when the transmission clutch stuff gets here, we can put everything back in, and then hopefully we'll be moving forward again. So that's it. Now I need to go back down and lay down. Hope you guys have a great day.